10 habits of millionaires you can start today. Adopt these habits and transform your future. First, they read every day. Millionaires feed their mind with books, articles, and new articles daily. Knowledge builds the foundation for smart decisions and long-term success. Second, they wake up early. Successful people start their day before the world wakes up. Mornings give them quiet hours to focus on growth and productivity. Third, they invest, not spend. Millionaires make money work for them instead for wasting it on temporary pleasures. They build assets that generate income and protect their wealth.